Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a tutor next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US oil for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the four-hour chart of US oil in front of us, and our quick buy above the previous high of 78 worked nicely. Ultimately, markets settled at 78.16, and we can see that we have a strong resistance around this area. So my dear friends, if you already have a buy position, you can be on the buy position because in the next few days there is a high chance that we will see further upside on US oil, and the reason is the market sentiment. You can see crude oil rises on geopolitical risk in the Middle East. Oil climbs to 11-week high, and if we look at the daily chart of US oil, we can clearly see that the trend of the market is slowly changing. Okay, the previous high was around 79.30, and if market breaks 79.30, and if you're a swing trader or positional trader, you can expect that in the coming days, because of the ongoing geopolitical tension, further upside may come on US oil and you will be profitable. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then I will say that it's better to avoid trading in this particular portion of the chart here. You can see 79.30 to 78.30. Okay, let me write it down. 79.30 to 78.30. You can consider this as your no trading zone. Why no trading zone? You can see we have immense sellers. We have a strong resistance around this area. So yes, there may be some downside possible here as well. So if you're looking for fresh position in the market, so considering the present market sentiment, you can look for buy at retracement. That will be a much safer strategy for you. So if market comes to 77 level, okay, if market comes to 77 level, observe the market 77 76.90. Okay, if you see the market is not very volatile, market is not very violent, you can expect support around this area. You can switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes to observe the market behavior. If you see the market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can hit the buy button. But in case market surprises us with a deep retracement, in that case you can look for by around 75 or 76, sorry, 76 levels. Okay, 76 to 75.90 level. This can be your also buy position as well. And by next week, if you see goal above 79.30, then also you can look for a buy position. But immediately buying at breakout may be very risky thing. Okay, so anyways, let me wrap it up here. Okay, if we look at the market right now, market just reversed from the resistance, but this doesn't mean a complete trend reversal. Resistance doesn't guarantee a trend reversal. After all, market sentiment is above everything, and here the market sentiment is bullish because of the ongoing geopolitical tension. So as a result, it is better and safer for us to look for buy at retracement. So where is the buy retracement? 77 level and 76 to 75.90 level. If market comes to these levels, we can look for buy at retracement. And if you're a daredevil kind of a trader, if risk is your middle name, in that case you can also look for sell right at the market opening. And in case something escalates the overall market situation, you can also look for a buy at breakout as well. And my dear friends, recently I have started uploading videos on US oil because of many requests. And if you feel that I am doing well, then please hit the like button, because right now I'm confused because the response is not good. So if I see that okay, people are not watching much, then obviously I'll discontinue making videos on US oil, because obviously it takes time and I'll be able to save time as well. So feel free to comment and let me know your opinion.